guys, so welcome back to another weigh-in Wednesday. Today is going to be my second week weighing in with you guys, so we're going to see how I did in just a bit. I'm curious to also read how you guys did as well, but first let me go over something real quick, just some brief little housekeeping things real quick. When I made the video about the bedtime tea, I forgot to tell you guys to put collagen in there. I cannot believe I forgot that. And it's probably because I ran out of collagen. I've been intending to pick some up when I go to the store. I get a particular brand. I will post a link in the description box for you guys for that. But yeah, that's something that I also add to my tea is 1 scoop of collagen powder. I wanted to touch this week too on let's remember to embrace the non-scale victories. As we progress through this journey, there are going to be days when the scale, like I said, just does not say what we think it should say. This week, some of the non-scale victories that I noticed for myself were, I was attempting to paint my toes. It was a lot easier this time. So it's just the little things that we have to pay attention to and learn to not look at victory as a pound for pound measurement or pound for pound, I don't know. Also, another thing that I tried this week that was a lot easier, well, I didn't try, I guess I have to do it, but climbing the stairs was also a lot easier this week. My joints feel a lot more lubricated and a lot more, my movements are a lot more fluid. I feel that electricity I was telling you guys about, the electricity, how I feel like there's a different kind of electricity going through my body. Also, getting up from the floor is a little bit easier this week. I have no more backache, and my ring is fitting a little bit easier. My fingers feel a little bit skinnier, I guess the word is, but yeah, so overall I'm noticing things. I'm noticing changes in my face. So what are you guys noticing this week? Also, leave me a message in the comment section of what you guys have noticed this week different as well. All right, so that's enough talking from me, you guys. Let's go ahead and see what my weight was this week. All right, so here is my weight for today, January the 8th, 2020. I weighed in at 241 pounds. All right, so there you guys have it. My weight this week was 241 pounds. I'm down 11 pounds this week, which is fantastic. I would say I'm feeling very encouraged going into the next week. I want to see also what number did you guys put up this week? If you didn't have a large number, that's okay. You know, we're not giving up. I don't care what the scale says, we're still not giving up. Also, I'm going to tell you guys real quick, just my goals for the next week. So my main goal for the next week is going to be to drink more water. Now that is going to be, I mentioned to you guys, I had this big gallon water jug right here. I ordered this on Amazon, and what makes it kind of cool is that if you see here, it has like little sayings on it to keep you motivated throughout the day. And they also sell this in a half-gallon variety also. So in case you don't want to carry around the whole gallon jug, you can have the half-gallon. But also what makes this thing cool is that it does not leak if it tips over. And at the bottom, the straw is bendy so that way it can get every last sip. And then look at this. My kids love this. Look at this. You push this button and then the lid just pops up and it just snaps back in place. Now, this also doubles as a way to get your kids to drink more water too. Every time my kids see me pull this thing out, they come running, I'm thirsty, I want water. So this is another way to help you and your children get more water in during the day. My next goal is gonna be my goal weight. My goal weight for next week, goal weight loss, I'll say is gonna be 5 pounds, which I think is kind of doable for the starting weight that I am. Go ahead and leave me a comment also what your goal weight is for next week. I'm gonna continue also with the 1 meal a day and the intermittent fasting, 23-hour fasting with 1 hour eating window for most days of the week. And also, if you're currently not doing 1 meal a day, now's a good time to think about tapering to just 2 meals a day. Cutting back on snacks. This is a really good time to start thinking about it because as we've been in this now, this is going into the 9th. So it's been almost a week now that some of us have already been in the ketosis state. So that's it, guys. So go ahead and leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought. How'd your first week go? And if you have any strategies to make sure your second week goes a little bit smoother, I'd love to hear about it in the comment section, y'all. So on that note, I'm gonna go ahead and drink me some water because I'm a little bit thirsty. You see, I got a ways to go. But I filled it up for you guys just for demonstration purposes. But yeah, so leave me a like. Don't forget before you go. And don't forget to subscribe if you are new to the channel so you can follow my journey. And also do not forget to hit the notification bell so that way the next time I upload my new video, you guys will be the first ones to know. All right, guys, you guys take care and I will see you in the next video. Bye.